Once upon a time, in a land where the stars whispered secrets to the trees and the moonlight painted the world in silver, there lived a courageous girl named Lily. Lily's heart danced with the rhythm of adventure, and her loyal companion was none other than a dragon named Ember. Ember was not just any dragon. He was a keeper of the Flame Mountains, with scales that shimmered like molten gold and wings that spanned the sky with grace. But one fateful day, a gust of icy wind carried the dreaded Sniffles into the kingdom. And Ember found himself sniffling and sneezing like never before.
Oh dear Ember, you're not your usual fiery self.
Lily observed with a furrowed brow.
I'm fine.
Ember insisted, her voice reduced to soft whimpers. But Lily could see through his bravado.
Nonsense, Ember, you need help, and I'm here to give it.
With a determined glint in her eye, Lily dashed to her room and emerged wearing a gleaming suit of armor. Adorned with intricate designs and a flowing cape that billowed behind her like a banner of bravery.
Behold, Ember, I am Lady Lily, protector of the Flame Mountains and friend to dragons.
She declared, striking a pose that made her feel every bit the hero. Ember managed a weak smile, touched by Lily's courage.
Thank you, Lily. You're the bravest friend a dragon could have.
Their first stop was a mystical meadow, where the wise old owl, Archimedes, perched atop his ancient oak tree.
Ah, young adventurers, what brings you to my humble abode?
Archimedes hooted, his eyes twinkling with wisdom.
We seek a cure for Ember's cold. Wise Archimedes?
Lily replied, her voice filled with determination. Archimedes nodded thoughtfully.
A cold, you say? Let me consult my scrolls.
With a flutter of wings and a rustle of parchment, Archimedes delved into his vast collection of knowledge. After what felt like an eternity, he emerged with a dusty tome clutched in his talons.
Aha, here it is, a remedy passed down through generations.
Archimedes proclaimed, pointing a claw at the ancient text. Lily's eyes widened with anticipation as she listened to Archimedes' instructions. She thanked the wise owl profusely before hurrying off with Ember in tow. Their next stop was the Enchanted Lake, where the mischievous water sprites frolicked in the crystal clear waters.
Hello, dear friends. What brings you to our humble home?
One of the water sprites chimed in unison, its voices like tinkling bells.
We seek the healing waters of the Enchanted Lake.
Lily explained, her voice echoing across the water. The water sprites giggled mischievously before guiding Lily and Ember to the heart of the lake, where the waters shimmered with an otherworldly glow.
Bathe in the waters and let its magic soothe your woes.
The water sprites sang, their voices carrying across the lake like a gentle breeze. With a grateful smile, Lily helped Ember into the sparkling waters, where he bathed in the healing embrace of the enchanted lake. As Ember emerged from the water, his scales gleamed with newfound vitality, and his fiery spirit burned brighter than ever before.
Thank you, dear friends. I feel better already.
Ember exclaimed, her voice strong and clear. As they journeyed through the enchanted realm, they knew that as long as they had each other, there was no obstacle they couldn't overcome.